Dear students, I am Devender, your math sir. In this video, I will explain you real numbers.
Now you can see here, without actually dividing, find which of the following are terminating decimals. We need to say these are terminating decimals. You need not to do division method. How can we do? Just you can see here, 3 by 25. In this 3 by 25, 3 is numerator, 25 is denominator. Yes or no? 3 is numerator, 25 is denominator. I am writing C here 3 by 25. See, just you can check only denominator. You can check only denominator. See, 25 can be expressed as 5 into 5. 5 5 how much? 25. That means can I write here 5 into 5? Yes or no? Yes. So that I will write here 5 into 5 means can I write 5 square? Yes. See, you need to remember here any rational numbers. For any rational numbers, if the denominator is expressed in the form of 2 power n, expressed in the form of 2 power n or 5 power n, or the combination of 2 power n and 5 power n. You have to remember here, if any rational numbers denominator which can be expressed in the form of 2 power n or 5 power n or the combination of 2 and 5 powers, that means 2 power n into 5 power n, then the rational number will be, it is a terminating decimals. Now you can say, is it in the form of 5 power n or not? See, is it 5 power n? That means where is n is equal to? See, can you say, is it terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal? You can write here terminating decimal. It is a terminating decimal. I hope you may understand this one. You have to check, see whether, for example, it is a p by q is a rational number. Here q, that means the denominator which is in the form of 2 power n or 5 power n or 2 power n into 5 power n. Now you can see next problem. See here 11 by 18. How can you write 11 by 18? First you can see here 18. You know that LCM method, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9. Is it okay? Yes. That means can I write here 11 by, see I am writing 2 into 3 into 3. 11 by 2 into 3 into 3. We know that whether the denominator in the form of 2 powers or 5 powers. But you can see here we are getting 3 powers also. So that can you say this is a terminating decimal? It's not possible. Why? Because the denominator having 3 powers also. So that you can mention here which is a non-terminating decimal. You can write here 11 by 18 is a non-terminating decimal. Here also you can write 3 by 25. 3 by 25 is a terminating decimal. I hope you understood this one. Very easy. Now you can see next one here 13 by 20. Just you can see denominator is how much? 20. 20 can be written as 2 10 ja 2 5 ja. Yes or no? You know that 2 10 ja 2 5 ja. That means can I write here 13 by 20 is equals 13 by 2 into 2. You can write here 2 into 2 into 5. That means can I express here 13 by 2 square into 5. 2 square into 5. 5 means 5 power 1. Now see, is this denominator in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n or not? Yes. Yes or no? We need to express 2 power n into 5 power n. So that this is a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal? Terminating decimal. You can write here 13 by 20 is a terminating decimal. You need not to do division. We have to say directly while checking denominator only. Terminating decimal. Next one here, you can see irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means if n is a natural number other than a perfect square, then root n is an irrational number. Already you have one definition. What do you mean by irrational numbers? I told in the first video, the numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. Yes or no? Which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, where q naught is equal 0. Yes or no? We have two definitions for irrational numbers. We mentioned that is the numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, where q naught is equal 0, p and q integers. Or we can mention another formula. If n is a natural number, n is a natural number other than a perfect square, then root n is a irrational number. See, for example, root 2, root 3, root 5. These are irrational numbers. Can I take root 4 here? For example, if I am taking root 4 here, just you can see root 4. See, if I am taking root 4 is irrational number. It's not irrational number. Why? Because see, 4 is a perfect square or not? Yes, 4 can be written as 2 square. 2 square is 4 or not? So, root 4 is not irrational number. So, don't take. So, that only I mentioned here root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, and you can take non-perfect numbers, non-perfect square numbers. See, how can these irrational numbers may be? There are terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. These are maybe terminating or non-terminating decimals. Now you can see irrational numbers are denoted by, see, you know that rational numbers can be represented by q. Yes or no? Yes. Irrational numbers are represented by s or q1. S or q1. You can remember here s or q1. Now you can see here real numbers. What do you mean by real numbers? Just we know rational numbers, irrational numbers. Just collection of all rational and irrational numbers is called as real numbers. It is denoted by r only. See here 7, it is a rational number. 2 by 3 also rational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. Root 5 is a irrational number. That means collection of rational and irrational numbers are called as real numbers. Now you can see here exercise 1.2. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational numbers. Which are rational or irrational numbers? You can see here your answer is root 27. Can you say root 27 is a irrational number or rational number? You can see here root 27 is a irrational number. Why? Because I am writing is 27 is perfect square. Just you can see 5 square is almost 25, 6 square is almost 36, but 27 is not perfect square. So that I am writing root 27 is a rational number. In the similar way, you can see root 441. See 441. Already you have studied in the 8th class. See squares from 1 to 25. Yes or no? What is the 20 square? 400. What is the 21 square? 441. So that, see, is this perfect square number or not? Yes, perfect square number. So that it is a rational number. Next one you can see here 30.232342345 and continue. So on. See, this is the terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal means you can see here this is an irrational number. This is a irrational number.